What's up everybody? Today we're going to be changing the serpentine drive belt on my 2000 Chevy Silverado. So it's winter time right now, so I pulled the truck inside the garage so I can work on it so I'm not in the snow and rain and stuff. It's a little tight in the garage, but I think we can still do this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to take a piece of paper and just draw out the pattern that the belt makes around the pulleys that it's on. So this is mine. It's not a very good drawing, but I think it'll work. I highly suggest you do this. You may think that you will remember the path of the belt, but sometimes, especially when there's a lot of pulleys, it's easy to get it messed up. And so this is a pretty easy way to just make sure you don't mess that up. So to get the belt off, you're going to need to find the tensioner pulley. On these trucks, it's pretty easy. This is the passenger side, and you can see I'm shining the light on it right here. You can see this wrench is hooked to it. On this one, all you have to do is pull the wrench and it'll loosen it up enough that you can get the belt off. So this is the front view. It's a little bit harder to see, but I just wanted to show you how. So when I pull this wrench, it loosens it up. So I'm just going to have to use two hands here, but I'm just going to pull that, loosen it up as far as I can, and then I'll just slip this belt off the edge there. Okay, so you can see I got the belt off that tensioner pulley. All right, so I got it off. I thought I was going to have to work it out around the fan to get it off, but I didn't. The way that it's in there, it just kind of goes around it. So once you get that tensioner pulley off, it's super easy to get this thing off. Okay, so this is where we put the new belt on. I wish I could get the camera in a little closer for you, but I just don't think I'm going to be able to get a view where you guys can see anything anyways. But it's pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to put the belt back on the same way that you took it off, and this is where this paper comes in handy. After fooling around with it for a few minutes, I've got it pretty much on except for one pulley just below the alternator. The belt needs to go underneath it. And I'm going to pull the tensioner, and then I'm just going to try to slide it under that smooth pulley right there next to the alternator. Well, that worked like a charm. I highly recommend doing that. Just trying to slip the belt on this little smooth pulley for your final pulley to put it on. As you can see, it's on there. Now I'll just start it up and see if it works. All right, so we got the belt switched. It didn't pop off when I started it, so that's a good sign. Hopefully the video was helpful for you. For more car videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks.